Good morning, Texans. Today is Monday, April 27th, 2020, and it's time for our morning announcements. We'll start with our Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now to the great state of Texas. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Now we'll observe our moment of silent reflection. Seniors, just a reminder, get those scholarship offers into your counselor or to Miss Charlene Jackson, our counseling assistant. Make sure you get those scholarship offers to them. We are collecting those and entering them as we speak. You need those for your recognition for Legacy Awards, which will be coming up pretty soon. We should have you a date this week. And then also for graduation to add to the total there. So please make sure you list all of your scholarship offers, not just the ones you accept, not just the ones you're using, but all of the ones that you've been offered. And the governor of the state of Texas is going to have a press conference this afternoon that we think is going to give us some more information with respect to how we can plan graduation, how we can plan prom, which of course we want to have before graduation, how we can plan a lot of things going forward, pick up and drop off of items, things like that. And so that is supposed to happen at 2:30 this afternoon. I know I will be tuning in. I would expect a lot of folks would like to as well, just to find out that information. And then we'll be able to give you some more information as a school, hopefully after that, once we get some guidance. Those are all the announcements I have for you today. Texans, I love you. I miss you. I look forward to seeing you again, and I hope you make this a great Monday.